what is commercial litigation? What do we mean by commercial litigation?
Yeah, so commercial litigation, that is like, so although we say that commercial litigation is a niche area, I think it encompasses a lot of things like insolvency, arbitrations, then breach of contract, all these infrastructure projects. A lot of things come within the ambit of commercial litigation.
So see, the idea is that when we are talking about commercial litigation here, we are going to be talking in a broad manner, not just Commercial Courts Act, but we will be so if there is any dispute which involves a high stake matter, which is including a big ticket matter, that it relates to taxation.
So, ever since Commercial Courts Act came into India, the litigation scene has changed a lot. Because earlier, going to courts in India was something that used to scare all the international parties, and they would make sure that the jurisdiction would lie in some other country and definitely not India. And Commercial Courts Act, once that was passed, the legislation was passed. I think now we have a lot of international parties agreeing to come under the jurisdiction of Indian courts because they've basically cut down the litigation process a lot. Like there are guidelines which say that you have to, finish off the entire litigation in a certain period of time.
which
And I
which
think,
does not happen, but then there
yeah,
are certain strict things
yeah.
like written statements in 90 days, and all of those things are strictly followed.
And then admission denial should be in a
Admission denial,
particular form.
yeah,
Yeah, and I think also arbitration, the amendment has aided this a lot,
absolutely.
right?
Absolutely, absolutely,
Yeah.
and also it is being progressing really fast. There are certain teething issues that what is a commercial matter, which still courts are trying to conclude, or the mandatory mediation or conciliation that always happens irrespective of what the issue is. But other than that, it has brought about a lot of change in commercial litigation aspect. So that is one thing. That's why if you are looking to go into commercial litigation, be very thorough with Commercial Courts Act. And there are newer judgments that are coming, there are newer precedents that are coming on very finer points of law in past few years, so follow that very closely.